everyone, this is Maria, and today I have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. These are called Furry pet wraps. They come in 4 different colors. They come in purple, and then there's a combination, this one right here, that has like purple and green. Looks like a little aqua color there. We have a pink one and a white one. See, the ears are all glittery, so cute. And so these do have wire. They have wire in them so you can wrap them around your wrist, your hand. You could put them on your backpack. You could put them in your pocket. When I was a child growing up in the 1960s, we had something kind of similar, and we used to wrap them around our handlebars of our bicycle, also on our bedpost, and so you can wrap them anywhere you want. And so at Christmas time, I did see something very similar at Target, and I think it was around $10. I can't remember, but I think it was around $10. So these are $1.99, so you could have all 4 different colors for less than $10. So I want to show you the one that I found in cello wrap. And so I'm thinking that they do come this way, but the day that I found these, they were all this way. So maybe the employees took them out of the cello wrap. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and open this one, and let's go ahead and try it out. And so I'm just going to snip off the top. Going to slide this out. So cute. And then on the back here, we have these little twisty ties. These are foiled twisty ties. I'm just going to unwrap these. And then I'm going to pull this off the card, just like that. You can see it says Furry Pet Wraps. These make really nice gifts, like for birthdays, and it's never too early to think of Christmas. Look at this. Look at this. So cute. And so you can just wrap this around your hand, and the little head moves around too. You can wrap this around your wrist. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I really love these. These are super cute. You can see they have little whiskers, and then they have the little heart. And I don't see any little eyes. I really don't think they need eyes, but look how cute they are. And then the little ears, look at those little ears, just really cute. And so you could just have lots of fun with these, and you can wrap them around your purse, your backpacks, anything you'd like. And again, they come in all different colors, like this purple one, and this multicolor one, a pink one, and this white one. So these furry pet wraps are recommended for children 3 and older. So in the comments below, let me know which one of these furry pet wraps is your favorite. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy shopping, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!